G'day, I'm Nick from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today, we're going to take a look at one of the best and easiest ways to keep your lawn looking better than your neighbours this winter. If you fertilise through autumn, your lawn will be well fed and healthy, but you'll notice the growth will slow down. During the cooler months, and especially in the southern states of Australia, warm season grasses such as zoysias and kikuyu will go into dormancy. This is a defence mechanism to prevent damage from the dropping temperatures. You might notice that your lawn loses some colour. This is not something to be concerned about, but there is an easy way to both improve the overall appearance of your lawn and give it the best chance to come through winter in top shape. It's a lawn pigment. Now I know what you're thinking, it's just a paint. A quality lawn pigment is made from all natural ingredients, so it's environmentally friendly, and it doesn't coat the grass, it's actually absorbed into the leaf, so it will stay there until you mow it off. When applying, try and use a smooth and even motion so you get a consistent cover. Start on your lawn edges and move away from garden beds and structures, then continue across the lawn. If you spill a bit on a hard surface, simply hose it off straight away, then continue to apply. Your lawn will thank you, and you'll have the best looking yard in the street. Just try and keep it a secret.